Ace's home expert Lou Manfredini, and I bet you haven't thought about this, but do you know that every now and then you have to wash your washing machine? For many people that have front-loading washers, they're used to this. When they're not done, they leave the door open because it can smell because of mildew that can form inside this bladder. This bladder right here is what connects the actual body of the washing machine to the drum inside that turns. And moisture, this one's actually pretty clean, but if you go to take a look at yours, if you have a front-loading washing machine, and pull this back, you may see some mildew and mold. So what I tell people is you can take any kind of household cleaner like this and spray it onto that bladder with a scrub brush like this, and go ahead and wash this. And if you want, you can rinse it, or it's okay if this mixes in with the next load of laundry, because it'll rinse out first before it causes any problems. And that will help to clean that up and reduce the odor. Now, there are some products you can also add to your washing machine to help clean it during the cycle. Glisten has a product here, as well as a Fresh, that are designed to remove all those odor-causing residues, in particular around these bladders. And so a combination of a little bit of scrubbing and every now and then using one of these cleaning products in your front-loading washing machine will keep it smelling and looking great. Ace is the helpful place.